Please be advised that the following video is fake and deceased scenario is fake. None of this video is real. This video is only for entertainment purposes only. If you are scared of any of these tones, click off the video immediately. I'm not responsible for any of these tones. These sounds go to the original creators. Don't be an idiot and putting these tones in the air, as it could trigger a real emergency and will cause mass panic and confusion, and could face jail time. Please don't steal this video without permission, or you will get a copyright strike without a warning. Now go and grab a snack and please enjoy the video. The following message has been transmitted from the Request Saline County Sheriff's Office and the Saline County Emergency Management Agency. Residents in the following cities: Alexander, Bryant, Benton, Haskell, Salem, Bauxite, and Hot Springs Village. Lock all of your doors and windows immediately. An unknown individual has escaped its containment cell in an unknown facility in Benton. This creature has now killed over 10 Foundation members and security guards. The Bryant Police Department along with the Benton Police Forces have arrived at the facility to deal with the situation and make sure the creature does not escape the facility. All residents in the following cities mentioned are ordered to stay inside your homes and shelter in place. It is unclear if the creature will escape or be captured in or out the facility. If you see this creature, dial 911 immediately. Please stay tuned on this dangerous and developing situation.
This is KARK4 News. The weather for today is cloudy with the chance of a snowstorm later tonight at 10:30 p.m. And now for the top story of the day. A creature has escaped its containment cell in Benton and has the opportunity of escaping the facility. Bryant Police and Benton Police, along with the Saline County Sheriff's Office SWAT teams have arrived at the scene to control this creature as long as they can. This creature has the ability to see through walls and can run at unknown speeds. This creature can escape the crime scene at any time. We apparently don't have a reporter on the ground at this time for our own safety and to avoid any danger with this creature. This is an unbelievable situation and catastrophic accident that's happening right now, especially on Christmas Day. This is Ava with the KARK4 News serving the Little Rock area. We will now switch back to your regular scheduled programming.
The following message has been transmitted from the Request the Saline County Emergency Management Agency and every law enforcement agency in Saline County. All residents in Saline County, lock all your doors and windows immediately. The creature that escaped its cell in the secret facility in Benton has escaped the facility and killed every officer and first responders that arrived at the facility. Around 20 police officers, deputies and SWAT officers were killed, along with paramedics and other first responders. This is a tragic situation happening right now. As of right now, all of the cities in this county must remain on a mandatory lockdown order until further notice. The creature has not been identified at this time. As of right now, the only description for what we could find from police body cam is that the creature is at least 15 feet tall, fully covered in blood and body structure all black, and white glowing eyes. That's all we could find from what we found from available police body cam from dead officers found by detectives that arrived at the scene just 5 minutes ago along with SWAT teams. If you see this creature, dial 911 immediately. Please stay tuned on this dangerous and developing situation. The following message has been transmitted from the request from the United States Department of Homeland Security and the Arkansas State Police SWAT team, along with the Federal Bureau of Investigations of Arkansas. The creature has now gone on a rampage all around central Arkansas. The cities affected by this are the following: Little Rock, Alexander, Bryant, Bauxite, Benton, Shannon Hills, Hot Springs, Conway, and many other major cities in central Arkansas. The creature has now gone crazy. This creature has now been identified by its following characteristics: 15 feet tall, white or red glowing eyes, has the body of a human, large claws on its hands, black skin, blood covering its teeth, sharp teeth, and has a scary smile. This creature has now been spotted in other major cities or towns in the central part of the state. The government, along with the governor of Arkansas, have put the state into mandatory lockdown and have given the authorization of using lethal force against this creature. Use any long-range weapons or sharp objects. This creature has the ability to run at speeds up to 90 miles per hour and see through walls. Police have attempted to take down this creature, but have been unsuccessful. The SCP Foundation has now joined the ranks. Mobile task forces will be deployed with police departments and the military to find and capture this creature or kill it. If you see this creature, dial 911 immediately and grab a weapon and hide. Please stay tuned on this dangerous and destructive situation. The following message has been transmitted from the request from the Oklahoma City Police Department and Oklahoma State Government. A violent outbreak has broken out in downtown Oklahoma City. The creature from Arkansas has breached a police barrier that was set up in the state borders of Arkansas and Oklahoma, and is now on the loose in Oklahoma City, and is attacking and killing anyone it sees in its path. Around 50 deaths have been reported, and over 200 have been injured. Hospitals around the city are overflowing with the amount of patients are filling up hospital beds. You can identify this creature with the following characteristics: 15 feet tall, has the body of a human, a black figure, sharp teeth, massive claws on its hands, blood all over its body, a scary smile on its face, and red or white glowing eyes. A squad with the mashup of police officers, mobile task force, and military personnel from Arkansas are working with the Oklahoma State Police to deal with the situation and capture or kill the creature. If this creature attempts to break into your home, use any lethal weapon at all times. This includes lethal force. You have now been the authorization on executing the creature if you have to as a last result. If you see this creature, dial 911 immediately, and emergency squad will arrive at your location and tell you where was the last time the creature was seen and what direction it went. Please stay tuned on this dangerous and developing situation.
The following message has been transmitted from the request from the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At around 11:30 p.m. a creature that originated from the state of Arkansas has now been reported in other major cities and states of the United States. These states include California, Texas, New York, Rhode Island, North Carolina, South Carolina, Kentucky, Florida, Washington, Oklahoma, Massachusetts, Vermont, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Colorado. This creature has the ability to see through walls and grunt to speeds up to 90 miles per hour. This creature is last seen terrorizing Los Angeles, and its next target is the possibility of going back to Arkansas and wipe out anyone that's left alive in the state. The SCP Foundation has now deployed mobile task forces to assist any police departments that are in need of immediate assistance or to help out in this capture process. This creature can be unidentified by its following characteristics: a bald black figure, 15 feet tall, body of a human, sharp teeth, blood covering its teeth and mouth, sharp claws on its hands, and has red or white glowing eyes. Mobile task forces, law enforcement agencies, and military personnel will be deployed into squads all around the country to deal with the situation now. If this creature attempts to break into your home, use armed protection at all times. This includes lethal force. You have now been given the right to kill this creature. As a last result, please stay tuned on this dangerous and developing situation.
This is THV11 News serving the Little Rock area. I am Mark Martinez, and this is getting so bad that I'm going to get straight to the point. A violent situation is currently going around the United States, as you may have already heard or seen on social media. Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube are going crazy right now due to the fact that a creature that originated this state. As some of you have already heard from what happened earlier this morning, a creature that escaped its cell in Bentham escaped the facility, killing every officer, paramedic, and to the first responders that responded, and due to police body cams not being destroyed, detectives found the identification of this creature. From what we've seen from videos on social media, the creature is 15 feet tall, has the body of a human, sharp claws on its hands, sharp teeth, a scary smile, blood covering its teeth, and has red or white glowing eyes that can be seen from far away. Mobile task forces, law enforcement agencies, and military personnel have been deployed all over the country. As for here, martial law is now in effect. This creature has stopped killing the cities that were targeted out of the state, but has come back to Arkansas to kill anyone left alive. Live from Dentown, Little Rock is my correspondent, Dave. Dave, what's going on in Dentown?
I'm currently in downtown Little Rock right now, where it is absolutely going bananas. People are being eaten alive and killed by this creature, as it has a craving for human flesh and kills its victims like a zombie. This creature is so hard to see and to locate. As of right now, Little Rock Police Department have attempted to kill or capture the creature, but have been unsuccessful. The creature has attacked several other states of the United States. If you are in Arkansas, please take shelter now. Oh my God, are those red eyes running towards me? It's the creature. I have to get out of here now.
The following message has been transmitted from the request from the United States government and an unknown government organization. The creature, who was responsible for escaping its containment cell in Benton, Arkansas, and several attacks in the United States, has now been reported in the entire country of the United States. This creature has the following characteristics: black figures that's approximately now 15 feet tall, body of a human, red or white glowing eyes, sharp teeth, sharp claws, and has a smile with blood coming out of its mouth and eyes. This creature has not been known on what its weaknesses. All attempts to capture this creature has been unsuccessful. The United States military will be working with the Marines, police departments, and the SCP Mobile Task Forces, along with its security staff, to capture the creature. If you see this creature, don't hesitate to call the police, as the military and the Marines will be patrolling everywhere. If this creature breaks into your home, use armed protection at all means. This includes lethal force. Do not travel outside. If you do so, you will be arrested and charged with a felony, or shot on sight by the National Guard. As of right now, the only way the creature is weak to is the following sharp objects, low-range weapons, and fire. Please stay tuned on this dangerous and developing situation. Stay indoors and do not travel outside.
The following message has been transmitted from the request from the United States Government, Department of Homeland Security, United States National Guard, and an unknown authority. The danger to the public is now over. An execution leave by the United States military was initiated along with other government agencies, and were dispatched to the creature's location, which was found in a field, and lower the creature into a cage, which will be transported to a secret government organization facility. Again, all danger from this creature has been cleared. This creature has been captured, and will be taken back to a different facility, which will then be executed. Your government would like to thank you for your cooperation.